hour is not AI. You'll be surprised at my assessment. The need of the hour is the ability to change. So how plastic or how flexible are you to change? That also has a theory.
The point that RK made at the end is very important. It's not really just about AI, it's about how AI is going to affect the whole system of praxis that you go in. That praxis is the word we use for combining theory and practice. Okay? This will have ricochet effects throughout all your practice, which is why we think in this kind of systemic way. What's likely to happen down the road is you will institute these changes and you will introduce new contradictions. You will introduce new parts of the system that don't work with other parts, etc. This will be an ongoing, never-ending process. It's not just that I can't provide you with the answers today. All I can do is empower you to provide your answers. The answers will change over time. So I'm trying to get you to think in a way that might benefit you going forward.